All right, just remove it. It's basically the clip over here, this one here, and then these two. Let me try to focus here. So these two was bent like this, bending inwards and clipping with here. So the first clip you can see down here is here. So it's here. So there's like a little hook there that clip into this here. And then these two, this one and two here, was bent inwards to make you cannot take it out by just the clips. So there's two clips over here as well. Over here, the small one, and lock it into here. Yeah, and then this one here, and one over here. And then the same applies to this side. So this like this little clip there, it's going inwards to make you cannot take it out, and there is nothing over here in this side. So the screen was out. I was wondering, so this one is like a glass thing over here, so basically you can lift it up over here. Try to do it carefully. Oops, it broke it. No, just kidding. Okay, so it's up. Oh shit. No, it can't do it like this. So anyway, I'll take a picture when it's